Hi guys, my name is Samir Joshi. I'm a financial planner and I'm going to add value to your financial well-being. So today we are going to understand how we can build the ideal mutual fund portfolio for ourselves. Well, most of the time we have seen people get very fascinated with the past performance of mutual funds. But past performance is the only factor we have to look at. And the answer to that is big fat no. Firstly, we need to understand the purpose of our investment. Then we need to also identify our risk-taking capacity. And also we need to understand the time horizon. So another most important factor is concentration of the portfolio. Do we really think how many mutual fund schemes should we have in one mutual fund portfolio? I've seen many clients buying so many mutual fund schemes in their mutual fund portfolio. Well, only 4 to 5 schemes are enough. If we are aggressive investors, 4 to 5 equity mutual fund schemes will have almost 200 to 250 stocks in that. And almost 30 to 40% of the stocks would be common. So by having so many mutual fund schemes in a portfolio, it will lead to too much of duplication. And that may impact overall returns of mutual fund portfolio, the entire portfolio over a longer run. So that is the reason why we highly recommend to have only 4 to 5 mutual fund schemes in a portfolio and just keep monitoring that. That's it. Comparison with peers is equally important. So when we choose mutual funds in our portfolio, we have to compare lots of factors with the peer group. So factors like the alpha of the portfolio, the beta, the standard deviation, the Sharpe ratios. These might sound like technical jargons to you, but these are very important factors to look at the overall performance of a mutual fund scheme. And if you would like to know more about it, we are there to support you with that as well. So another most important point is diversification of the mutual fund. And we've observed that a lot of people, a lot of investors, they keep almost similar kind of schemes, only names are different. But if you are an aggressive investor, then we can also diversify portfolio by adding some thematic or sectoral funds or also international fund to the portfolio. So therefore, the ideal portfolio for an equity investor will comprise with 50% allocation to flexi cap funds, 30% allocation to sectoral or thematic portfolio, 15% allocation can be given to international funds, and 5% allocation can be given to commodities. This is the ideal allocation from us. What's yours? If you like this video, then please hit the like button, share it to your friends and family members, subscribe to our channel, and if you want any help from us for your financial well-being, then please fill the form. The link is mentioned in the description.